हेलो दोस्त
हेलो
दोस्तों, ये A14 मोबाइल है 5000 का है।
A14 मोबाइल वी परचेज धीरे धीरे स्लो है. We are unboxing this mobile today. We purchased from Amazon, so you can see first the box Galaxy A14 5G. This is the dark red color. One second, it mention this thing. एक minute, I will cover everything. Okay, you can see this thing every side. One second. Focus. This is the variant 6GB variant 128GB.
इसमें भत्तर नहीं आ जाए?
No. भत्तर नहीं आएगा. The Amazon is genius site. So first cut this seal. Every time just check Rivan, okay? When you purchase new thing na, the seal is very important, okay? In every product, if seal is broken, you don't take, okay? You don't accept the courier, okay? If this seal is broken, okay? This seal is broken or not broken na? We broken this seal, so it is new brand means, okay? That's it. One more. धीरे स्लोली है, बी केयरफुल. इसको अलग करो हाथ. यहाँ से जस्ट आई विल डू. जस्ट मिनट. होल्ड ऑन. One second. So we broken the seal. Now we are opening the box. Not provided any.
इसका चार्जर का?
No, they are not provided a charger. They provided only cable, I think. Wait, one second. First we can check this box. Open this box. Very slowly. One second. इसके अंदर है. इसके अंदर check this one.
मैं इसको खोलता हूँ.
Okay. I think they are not provided anything, just SIM open pin they provided and one cable. This cable they are providing, okay, nothing else. So remove this one second. Show me the color. Wow, Samsung Galaxy A14 dull color, very nice. You can see very nice color. Okay, let me show in the dark light. One second.
Dark light?
In sunlight you can see like this color. Okay, and the size of the mobile like this one. Start. Look English.
Yeah.
So it's very beautiful. Let me open this.
Oh my god.
Agree to all. I will do setup. So we have set up all those
Papa?
term and condition agree
Papa?
of Samsung.
Papa,
So this is the front UI. Okay.
पापा, मेरे फ्रेंड को मैं ये बुद्धू बना के दे दूँगा.
So this is very nice. Okay, this is unboxing only. Speed is very good. I not inserted any SIM yet, so we'll make just unboxing the A14 5G piece. This one dark red. Thank you. Bye bye.